How to create a study note with Kimi K3 AI. It's pretty simple. Over here where it says slides, you can click on it and upload your PDF or whatever info you have about your notes, or upload your notes, and it's going to create a slide. Or what you can do is slide to the side and click on where it says doc. Click on docs, and over here what you can do is click on plus at the bottom, and from here click on local file. Now you might have uploaded your notes on your phone, right? Just find that note and click on the note, and then just click on open at the top. Once you click on open, the note is going to be uploaded. Once your homework note or your study note is uploaded, just ask it to hey, this is my study note. Create a short and effective note out of it. So right now we have the docs selected. So if we send this, the AI will process it and create me a doc, and I can download the doc, send it to anyone I want, or use it to read. If I don't want the doc, I can just click on the X right beside the doc. And if I send this note or send this prompt, it's going to basically just analyze the doc and, create a note for me and just straight up drop it to me over here. That's how you guys can create a study note with Kimi K3 AI. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.